Introducing the SH601 from Shinehao CNC Machinery Corporation Limited. This state-of-the-art 2-in-1 CNC machine is specifically crafted for carving acetate eyewear temples and front sheets to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. With the SH601, the user simply inputs the dimensions of the entire acetate sheet on the user-friendly screen, and the intelligent system automatically calculates how to cut more pieces from a single sheet, thereby increasing the sheet utilization by 10% with precision and efficiency. The machine carves one pair of temples in a circular motion, with the left and right temples arranged in a head-to-toe style to minimize wastage. It can carve temples at 200 pairs hour or front frame at 400 pieces hour. With this machine efficiency and cost-saving benefits, the initial machine investment is expected to be recovered within just 1 year.